Hi, seventh graders. This is Miss Morrow. I am going to be showing you a little bit about this Bitmoji locker assignment. This is for my advisory and also for Mr. Johnson's advisory. So all of you are going to be going into your dashboard for Canvas, and you are going to find the homeroom course. Now, this isn't typically something you've seen yet, but this is a way that I can assign it to everybody that's in my homeroom, which includes Mr. Johnson's advisory as well. So you're going to click on homeroom, and in your homeroom you are going to see an assignment. Should be a to-do assignment. That is called Design Your Own Virtual Locker. So you can either go into assignments, or if the to-do list is there, you can click on that. So what we're going to do is, this is a way for us to get to know you a little bit better. So you are going to be designing your own virtual locker to help your teachers and peers get to know you. So the directions are right down here. You're going to watch this tutorial video to help you get started. We'd have you watch until at least the 9-minute mark. It goes through what you have to do. It also tells you how to remove the background from images if you want to find something from online to put in there. There's also click here to view the directions and an example. And 3, you need to make sure you make a copy of the locker you want to use. And then once you're ready to share, there is a submit assignment at the top of the page. Miss Gorski, another 7th grade teacher, has a video of how to upload that, which I have also included. So to click here to view the directions. So you need to put at least 6 pictures in your locker that tell us a little bit more about you. All images must have a transparent background, and you can use this website. It gives you the link right there. And then here are just some suggestions of what you can include. Maybe it's a picture of your family, maybe it's a sports team, places you'd like to visit, places you've been. There is also a picture or a slide with a whole bunch of different designs that if any of these you want to use, you can just click on them and copy and paste them into your locker. You do have the option for a blue locker or a red locker. So once you decide, what you're going to do is you are going to make a copy of this. So all you have to do is just go to make a copy of the selected slide. It's going to go right into your draft. Click OK. And as you can see, my locker is here, and then I can go in between each in order to create it. If you have a Bitmoji that you would like to use, feel free to upload it. You might have to find it on a personal device and then share it through your school email to get it uploaded. Otherwise, if you just find something similar online, that would be great too. So you are just going to be creating at least 6 pictures or 6 items that represent who you are. And the other part of this is that underneath in the notes section of your locker, which would be down here, add the speaker notes, you are going to write a short summary to tell me why you chose to include the things that you did. So why do these things represent who you are? Okay, so that is how it is going to be for your locker. That's how you're going to design it. This will be due next Friday, September 11th, and be ready to share out, or we'll have some way that we'll be able to share these. Again, within it is also a way, there'll be a video of how to upload it and submit the assignment as well. Have a great rest of the day.